Four solar electric and 5 electric vehicles prepared in Adelaide before the start of Sunrace 21C, a 2,300-kilometre journey that took them across eastern Australia in one of the world's major events, the Green Grand Prix.
To be driving along the road at 80, 90, 100 kilometres an hour just on sunlight is great. It's a fantastic feeling.
This race was being held for the 5th time, and Through the Gears has covered each of them. The solar cars harness the sun's energy to race through country towns in South Australia, Victoria, Canberra and New South Wales before arriving at the Sydney Opera House. For organiser John Herner, it's about energy management and developing super-efficient vehicles and technologies that reach into the marketplace. The solar panels produce electricity which drive the electric motors and can be stored in battery packs. Teams have to manage the energy supply, allowing for hills and cloudy conditions. Each day saw competitors tackle a 300-kilometre stage. The solar-powered cars can reach over 100 kilometres an hour. Sponsored by the Commonwealth Government Greenhouse Office, Sunrace 21C is designed to raise community awareness of greenhouse gas emissions and global warming. Teams participating come from colleges, schools, universities and trade organisations. The halfway point was Melbourne, and Lake Tuggeranong College, with Spirit of Canberra, was first across the line. They were followed by Ned 26 from South Australia. Second in the light electric vehicle section was Chisholm Institute with their smart machine. They just trailed SolarSat from Swinburne University. RMIT was third, and in fourth place, Trinity Grammar. The Sunrace guru is John Herner.
The Australian Greenhouse Office Sunrace this year has 9 teams running, 4 solar cars in different categories and another 5 electric vehicles, which in fact are the underpinnings of the solar vehicles. It's that technology that you see buried underneath the solar panels, but we've pulled it out in order to create a class of entry vehicles that will allow young people to get into this brain sport. And hopefully we will be seeding this year already new teams. We have a couple of teams there that are first time in it, and they'll go on to build cars next year, and we want to see as many young people get into this stream and maybe end up in career paths in this, at the same time taking our greenhouse message forward.
Leading the Chisholm project was long-time alternative energy enthusiast Don Elliott.
We designed this at Chisholm Institute, and it's been wind tunnel tested, and it has a drag coefficient that's about 1/3 of your normal family car, so it's extremely efficient through the air. We use 3 battery packs. We charge them up at night time on green power, and we use those batteries during the day to cover the distances of approximately 300 kilometres a day. So we try and do about 100 kilometres per battery pack. So we're timed between the start and finish, so our changeovers are like Formula 1 or V8 supercar changeovers. We have to be quick and efficient.
From Swinburne University, SolarSat is well established.
We've managed to get up to 85 kilometres an hour, and we have also got 8 battery packs in the bottom of the car here, which we get 100 kilometres from the 8 battery packs, and then we've got another set of batteries which will be plonked in, and away we go again for another 100 kilometres.
The second leg of Sunrace 21C took the competitors up to Sydney, a distance of over 800 kilometres. Reaching the steps of the Opera House first, at an average speed of 75 kilometres per hour, was Spirit of Canberra. Second was Ned 25 at 63 kph. And winning the LEV section, Chisholm at just under 60 kph.